We got a handle keeps falling off. Got the little key in there. Got the doctor box. Got the doctor box out. Let's see, I think it's this one. No. Nope, it's one of these. I think it's a medium one. Nope. What I like about these little boxes, pretty handy. Dang. I just did this yesterday. It's pretty easy work over here. Put the handle back on. Yep, there we go. Apparently the tenant has tried multiple times to put it on. And if I would have thought about it, I would have grabbed some Loctite and put on there. It doesn't look rounded off or anything. You just gotta get it in the middle. Whatever. That's a long ways going in there. We don't go that far. What is going on with this? Dude, that's all the way out. Oh, we got a strip. This is stripped out. See? No, it's not going on there. Little compression. Make sure I'm on there. Feels like something went on all the way. You know what I mean? That's way too far to be squaring that in. See what I'm saying? What is going on with this? We got a bad one here. It's got a flat spot on it. I don't think it's going in all the way. It's hard to see it. The hole, I should only have to turn that like 3 turns for that to lock on that faucet. It's on there, but I should only have to turn this 3 times for it to get tight, and it's not, but then it locks on there. That's some strange. See how far I'm in that bad boy all the way. I think the screw's stripped out. That's what I think. That or somebody. Yeah, somebody's. The handle is stripped. I can just barely see the threads in there. And yeah, the threads are stripped out. It's got enough thread on there that it'll screw in, but once it gets tension on that, it's coming back out. So what we'll do on this one is, I'm gonna leave that right there. What we're gonna do on this is we'll run over to Lowe's to get a new one. And we'll pick up a piece of trim for that other apartment at the same time. That way we can kill 2 birds with 1 drive to Lowe's. Okay, on that faucet that we're working on, I went to get one of these, couldn't find one. Then I had to get a universal, got back to the apartment, and the screw was missing, the one screw I needed. So what I did was I picked up a new set screw that's bigger. This is a 1/4 20. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap it. We're going to get us a tap out of here. Should have a 1/4 20 in there. See how many times I've been in this box. And it looks like we got a 1/4 20 right there. Make sure 1/4 20 3/8. That's a 1/4 20. And I should be able to just kind of turn it a couple times. It would be a bitch that it's hitting the back of the case, but let me get a pair of pliers here real quick. There's something right here. Showy reds. Let's see if we can just give it a turn, almost to the back. There we go. Because all it did was just kind of set some threads, because it's about an aluminum base. So let's get an Allen. Let's see if we can find an Allen. Oh, we got Allens up here on the top shelf. Let's see if we can find an Allen for this. Got 50,000 of them laying in there. Don't want to lose it. Ooh, that's way too small. Too big. Almost. Found it. So, what we're going to do is we're going to try to set this. It is like aluminum, pot metal. It's kind of hard, you guys can't see it, but right there, it's through. And this will be tight enough that the tenant won't screw it up. You know what I mean? Always put your tools away, boys and girls. Or is it boys and turtles? Alright, man. Let's go set this thing. What we'll do is we'll put us a little bit of this blue nylon on there. It's like a glue. Put a whole bunch on there. I use that for HVAC. Ooh, that's sticky. And screw it in there. Put her back on. Tighten her up. See? Half a turn, that's all it needed. There we go, man. Feel good to go. This is like 1/4 18, whatever. Little bitty thing. So that right there should permanently fix it. Ooh, shut up. That was a lot.